Why preventive maintenance software is important for business. As we know, sudden asset breakdown can be lethal for business as it decreases productivity and impacts daily operation as well. Preventive maintenance software ensures every asset get maintenance regularly and avoids sudden asset failure. It also helps in increasing asset utilization, asset efficiency, and optimizes asset availability. Preventive maintenance software plays a crucial role in decreasing inefficiency and increasing productivity. You can easily ensure maintenance for every individual equipment. Define frequency of maintenance activities on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Create checklists for each maintenance work order activity that needs to be done. It is helpful to the maintenance team as they can see activities need to be performed. Keep your assets in top condition. Reports are extremely helpful to businesses as they contain valuable information that can help in issue identification. Reports are crucial in decreasing maintenance expenses. If you want to make your assets reliable and avoid unexpected asset failure, then investing in preventive maintenance software is important. It will assist you in improving asset condition and optimize asset performance as well. You can optimize maintenance work order with valuable insights. With preventive maintenance software you can take data assistance to optimize work order and daily operations. Schedule and prioritize work orders according to need and urgency. You can check the status of each work order in real time. Perform maintenance, track inventory easily and effectively. Our software tracks and monitors all the crucial assets. It also tracks asset performance and plays a significant role in boosting asset performance. While performing maintenance, it is important to keep track of inventory and spare consumed. This software tracks inventory with accurate numbers and notifies you whenever inventory goes below the defined level. Every incident is recorded, and the incident management team tries to resolve the incident quickly so that damage control can be done as quickly as possible. Keep track of assets, schedule maintenance, make changes in operation with your mobile when you are away from your office. We understand the value of our clients. That is why we believe in going the extra mile for customers and providing support 24/7. Our software is developed in a way so that integration can be done easily. We know an organization uses several applications and data collected from these applications can be used to increase asset efficiency. For an asset-intensive organization, this software can be a game changer. Don't wait. Schedule a demo today or sign up for a free trial.